We will see how to use keyboard keys today in our class. So let's see. So this is our left hand, and this is our little finger, and this is ring finger, this is middle finger, and this is index finger, and this is thumb. So let's see. By little finger we will press. Our comfort key is A. Okay, our comfort key is A, and up key is Q, and down key is Z, and number is 1. So our ring finger comfort key is S, and up key is W, and down key is X, and number is 2. And middle finger comfort key is D, and up key is E, and down key is C, and number is 3. And index finger comfort key is F, and up key is R, and down key is B. So from index finger we will also use the key G, and up key T, and down key B, and number is 5. And from thumb we will use space bar. So this is our right hand, and right hand uses is from index finger we will use comfort key is J, up key U, and down key M. Middle finger of right hand comfort key is K, up key is I, and down key is comma. And from ring finger of right hand we will use comfort key L, and up key O, and down key full stop. And this is a little finger of right hand. Comfort key is semicolon, up key is P, and down key is semicolon, question mark. And also little finger uses backspace when when we have to delete some words or letters. We will use backspace by little finger. And caps lock for capital letter we will use left hand little finger. So this is our information about fingers. So you can see this is my left hand, and I will use like this. This is little finger, this is ring finger, and this is middle finger, and this is index finger, and this is thumb we will use for space bar. Okay, so here is A S D F, like this, A S D F. This is left hand use. And also we will use for this little finger Q, and down Z. Okay, and this is ring finger S, W, and also X. And this is middle finger D and E, and also D, E, and C. Okay, this is our index finger F and R, and also V, F, R, V. Okay, and also here is a use of index finger G and T and B. G, T, B. This is also use of this index finger. And also here is the uses of numbers like this 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, and also 5. So here is my hand, and here is my fingers. So this is index finger, this is middle finger, and this is ring finger, and this is my little finger. So here is the use of index finger J, U, and M, and also H, Y, and N. This is a use of index fingers for these 6 keys. Okay, and this is my middle finger K and I, and also comma. Okay, after that this is my ring finger, and here is a use of L, O, and also L, O, and full stop, like this, L, O, and full stop. And here is my little finger. This is used for semicolon P, and also question mark, semicolon P and question mark. Okay, so here is use of numbers also, like this 8, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Okay, so this is the information about keys. And also we will use spacebar by thumb, and caps lock by left hand and little finger, like this we will use. Okay, so and backspace by these fingers. This little finger, here is a space bar, backspace. Okay, this is a total information about keyboards. When we will use keyboard, we have to always put our fingers like this. Okay, thank you. So like this we have to always put our hand A, S, T, F, and J, K, L, and semicolon. Okay, G, H. Thank you very much.